Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice factorial problem, and lot of people could not do this literally in 5 seconds. Okay, so the reason for that is they did not realize what exactly a factorial is. You need to simplify a factorial in their respective terms, and once you do that, things become very easy. Now first understand, whenever you have a number which is then followed by a factorial sign, you can put it in their mathematical form by multiplying that number with the next consecutive number but in the descending order. Okay, so this is a minus 2, and then you will go on up to you reach the value as 1. Okay, so basically what we are trying to do is that this 1000 factorial. Okay, so let's understand how will we do 1000 factorial. 1000 factorial will be what? Sorry, it will be starting from 1000. So 1000 into 999 into 998, going on up to into 1. Similarly, 999 factorial can be written as 999, 998, going on up to 1. And 998 factorial can be written as 998, 997, going on up to 1. Now, if you look closely, this and this, okay, I can write 999 factorial as nothing but what? 999 into 998 factorial, right? Because this and this is exactly same. Okay. Similarly, for 1000, I can write 1000 factorial as nothing but 1000 into 999 factorial. Correct, because here also this and this entire value is same. So now let's put all of these simplifications in our question. So instead of 1000 factorial, I write 999 factorial into 1000 minus 999 factorial upon 998 factorial. So what I can take is, I can take 999 factorial common. But instead of 999 factorial value, I will put it this way. So this will be 999 into 998 factorial. And here in the bracket, I'm left with what? 1000 minus 1. It is still divided by 998 factorial. Okay, so now let this get cancelled. So I am basically left with 999 into 1000 minus 1 can be written as what? 999. Okay, so basically we are trying to find 999 square, correct? Which can be written as what? 1000 minus 1 the whole square. So when you actually do this, you can use the logic of a square minus a minus b the whole square. So first we'll put 1000 value. Okay, let me erase a few things over here so it becomes easy for us to put everything in one screen. So 1000 square is what? It will be 10 lakhs. Okay, now a square minus 2ab. So we will do minus 2 into 1 into 1000, so which is minus 2000, correct? And whatever answer you get over here, you are adding 1 to it, because we are doing what? A square. This is your a square, this is your 2ab, and this is your b square. B is 1, so b square will be also just 1. So now these three zeros will remain as it is. Here we'll take a 10, and this will become 9, and this will also become a 9. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and 9 will remain as it is. Okay. Now your final answer will be what? 998001. Okay. Please understand this was actually 0 only. Okay. So why 1? Because I have to add this plus 1 over here also. This is your final answer. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.